If you're looking for lunch ideas that require no reheating or refrigeration, you've come to the right place. On this channel, I've got tons of ideas, but I know that it can be tough to find them and put them together. So in this video, I'm gonna share some of my best cold lunch ideas that you can pack for the office or school. So stick around to check out the recipe. While these lunches don't need to be refrigerated, I do recommend that you place an ice pack inside the lunch bag because just so everything stays nice and fresh. Number one is my BLT salad. This BLT salad is loaded with a lot more than just bacon and tomatoes. There's cheese, avocado, my homemade ranch dressing. This makes it a winner for both adults and kids. And if you pack this for lunch, make sure to keep the ranch dressing in a sauce container so the salad doesn't get soggy. Number two is my buffalo chicken salad. This is another favorite salad around here because buffalo chicken, hello. We use leftover slow cooker buffalo chicken on top of iceberg lettuce. This also comes with my homemade ranch dressing and it can be prepped ahead of time, which, you know, it's a major plus for me. Number three is a little different, but no less delicious, the Mexican 7-layer dip cups. Not only are they awesome as a party appetizer, but they're also great in a lunchbox. You can pack it with chips and fruit for a balanced meal that is also super fun to eat. Number four, we have ham and cheese roll-ups. It's simple, they're easy to make. They're a great idea when you run out of bread, which at my house we do often, so it's high in protein and they're super quick to assemble. I typically pack them bento style in a lunch container with my family's favorite snacks and sides. Now for everyone whose kids love PB&Js and adults like me, these homemade Uncrustables are exactly what you're looking for. With my recipe, you can make twice the amount of a store-bought package and freeze them for future lunches on the go. Of course, I like to keep it authentic and use a sandwich crimper, which I'll also link right below this video. If you love crunchy food, this peanut butter crunch sandwich is made with sliced apples. It's super refreshing and it fills you up really fast. Number seven is for my pasta lovers. This pizza pasta salad uses pepperonis, black olives, cheese, leftover pasta. It's a simple and delicious lunch for both kids and adults to use up that leftover pasta from the other night. You can pack it in a thermos if you want to heat it up at home and send a warm lunch, or in a regular lunch container. In this case, this lunch is good either way. And last but not least, we have the Bento Box lunch, which is basically everything that you love to snack on inside a bento lunch with enough to make it into a significant meal. I love to make these with cheese, crackers, fruit, veggies, dip, swap ingredients, you know, whatever I have in the fridge and the pantry, I just empty and put them inside of a bento lunch. Obviously, these are just a few ideas on this channel. I'm gonna make sure to link them right below the video, and while you're down there, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I can make more of these idea videos for you. And while you're down there, click that red subscribe button if you're not a subscriber already. I'm here every single week with new ideas. See you next time.